Azaan, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now as you can see that we started saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon, right? Sigma 1, pi 1, and this all we completed. So we also dealt with the general formula of alkane, alkene, alkyne. If I'm going to ask you, what is it? Alkane, alkene, alkyne. Can you tell me? By looking at the formula, can you tell me whether it is an alkane, alkene, or alkyne? Now I'm waiting. If you can't tell me, just let me know.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, that means you don't know. See, there was some formulas for alkane, and there is an alkene, and this is the hydrocarbon last, that is alkyne. So its general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Whatever is the number of carbon, the number of hydrogen will be double plus 2, right? Is that clear? And
Yes.
for alkene, it is CnH2, and that means the number of carbon, whatever is the number of carbon, the number of hydrogen will be doubled. And in alkyne, CnH2n minus 2. Whatever is the number of carbon, the number of hydrogen will be double minus 2. So if you are going to apply this formula here, what is the number of carbon? 3. So just do it double. Then you will get 6. Number of hydrogen, 6. If number of hydrogen is 6, then it is alkyne. And if number of hydrogen is 6 plus 2, then it is 8, then alkane. And if the number of hydrogen is 6 minus 2, then it is alkyne. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So now can you tell me what is this? Alkane, alkene, alkyne.
Sir, this is alkene.
No. Can you tell me what is the double of 3?
6.
6. Is it 6 here?
No, sir.
4. That means 6 minus 2, that is
Alkyne.
Are you getting my point? This, if
Yes,
this will be the scene. C3H8. You can see the number of hydrogen is double the number of carbon plus 2. Is that clear? 3 into 2 plus 3 into 2 plus 2. That is 8. So it will be alkane. If I'm going to write C3H6, you can see the number of hydrogen is just double the number of carbon. It is alkene. And you can see if I'm going to write C3H4, the number of carbon, the number of hydrogen is double the number of carbon minus 2. Then it is alkyne, right? Okay, tell me about this. Is it alkane, alkene, alkyne? What it is?
Okay, sir. Sir, it's alkene.
Is it alkene? What is the general formula for alkene? This is the general formula.
Yes, sir.
What should be the number of hydrogen with respect to carbon in alkene? Can you tell me? Not 2, not 2. This is CnH2n. Just try to read it. Whatever is the number of carbon, the number of hydrogen will be double the number of carbon. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So what? How many carbon is here?
5.
And what is the number of hydrogen here?
8.
So is 8 double? If you are going to do double of 5, will it be equal to 8?
No.
What it will be? 10?
Yes, sir.
So C5H10 is your alkene. Now can you tell me what it is? C5H10.
Yes, sir.
Alkane. What is this? C5H8. Alkane, alkene, alkyne.
Sir, alkyne.
Alkyne. How did you configure? You can see whatever is the number of carbon, the number of hydrogen will be double minus 2. Is
Yes.
that clear? This is the
Yes.
general formula of alkyne. So let's say, can you tell me whether it is alkane, alkene, alkyne?
Sir, which one?
This one, the one which I just wrote. C10H20.
Sir, is it alkyne?
Are you just understanding the concept, or you are just look at the concept, man? Just look at the concept. What will be alkane? CN, are you getting it? What it is this? What is this? CnH2n plus 2. What is this? Are you getting it or not?
Yes, sir.
No, you are not getting it. See, I'm gonna again write it. Just focus here. Here it is alkane. Here it is alkene, and here it is alkyne. The general formula is basically CnH2n plus 2. See, this N and N, this number in subscript shows the number of carbon and hydrogen. See, whatever is the number of carbon in alkane, the number of hydrogen will be the number of hydrogen will be double the number of carbon plus 2. Are you getting my point? If carbon is 10, then the number of hydrogen will be 10 into 2 plus 2. 10 into 2, 20 plus 2, 22. The number of hydrogen will be 22.
22.
Now, if you are going for alkene, CnH2n, it's so simple. Whatever is the number of carbon, the number of hydrogen will be just double the number of carbon. If carbon is 10, the number of hydrogen will be 20. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And what is the general formula of alkyne? CnH2n minus CnH2n minus 2. Whatever is the number of carbon, the number of hydrogen will be double minus 2. Let's say if you have 10 carbon, C10, then the number of hydrogen will be 10 into 2 minus 2. 10 into 2, 20 minus 2, 18 it will be. The number of hydrogen will be 18. So again, I'm going to ask you. Got it? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tell me, what is this? Alkane, alkene, alkyne. Just look at the number and you will get it. If you still don't understand, just let me know.
Sir, alkene.
Alkene. How did you get? See, it's very simple. The
Sir,
number of carbon is 7.
double
The
carbon.
number of hydrogen is doubled. That means it is alkene. Okay. Just let me know. Let me know. Look at the number, play with the number 7. What is the double of 7? 14. But it is 16. That means you just added 2. Where it is? Plus 2 in alkane. That's why it is an alkane. Just double it and see what number left. Either you need to add or subtract. If you are going to add, you will get alkane. If you need to subtract, it is alkyne. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just play with the number. Let me know what it is. It was alkyne. Can you tell me?
Okay, sir.
See, what is the number of carbon here?
7.
40. Sorry, 7. Yes, it's 7. 7. 7.
Sir, is it is alkyne?
Yeah, it is. You can see that 7. What is the number? Double of 7, 14. And how do you get 12? -2. So this will be a. Got it?
Yes, sir.
You got it. Okay. Let's play another role. Okay, let's see. Alkane. Just finish this and we are going to start a new topic.
Okay, sir. Sir, alkane, alkyne, and alkene.
Did you say what is this? Alkane?
Then
What
second
is-
one is alkyne, and third
No,
one is
tell me the first one. It is alkane. Is it
yes,
alkane? This is
alkyne,
alkane. And tell me about this.
alkene.
Very good. Got it all this?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now going to start the next, that is basically your homologous series. So what is homologous series? Basically, they are from the same family member. You can say they are from the same family member. So I'm going to write a point about this definition. Write with me, please. Homologous series is a series of compounds with similar chemical properties. With similar chemical properties and same functional group. If there is any functional group, same functional group. Differing from successive member, differing from successive member by CH2. So please do write it, then I will take an example to explain it.
Done, sir.
Let me know. Very good. So see, what I want to say is that let's take an example of alkane. And from first member, as you know that methane is the first member, then comes ethane, then comes propane, then comes your butane, right? Methane, ethane, propane, butane. If you are going to look at the formula, the difference in successive member will be CH2. As you can see, what is the formula of methane? CH4? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you tell me if you are going to add CH2 is in this, if you are going to add CH2 in this, what you will get? C2H6?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? And what is the formula of ethane? It is C2H6. If you are going to add CH2 in this, you will be getting, now C2 is already there. If you are going to add one C, it will be C3, H6, and H2 add, it will be C3H8. So the propane has C3H8. In the same way, if you are going to add CH2, so you will get C4H10. So this has a C4H10. So basically, this homologous series is the member. There are different members that in this there are different members, and same member or same family will have same chemical properties. Also, it's very important to note that successive member has a different of CH2 formula, or you can say successive member has a difference of 14 U mass, 14 U, or you can say 14 gram. How did you calculate this? Carbon has atomic mass of 12 and one hydrogen is 1, so 2 hydrogen is 2. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So please do write it. Let me know when you're done with this.
Done, sir.
Very good. So as you can see, this is the homologous series. Can you tell me whether they are of the same family member or not? Tell me whether they are from the same family member or not.
No, sir.
Why? Can you tell me what is this? Alkane, alkene, alkyne.
Sir, alkene.
Alkene. Can you tell me about the another one?
That is also alkene.
Alkene. So aren't they from the same family? Both are alkene. That means same family. Are you getting my point? Alkane has a family. Alkene has a family. Alkyne has a family. Are you getting my point or not? As the way you can see, I have written in the previous one. Methane, ethane, propane, butane. So if I will ask, this methane and butane are of the same family because they are alkane. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So are they from the same family? Have you got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Okay. So tell me whether they are from the same family or not. No, no, no. Yeah. Tell me whether they are from the same family or not.
No, sir.
No, sir. Because this is your alkene and this is your alkene.
Alkene.
Alkane. That's why they are not from the same. Now let's start our functional group. So you have studied this nomenclature in your school.
No, sir. I don't think so.
Okay. Functional group. First, I'm going to take alcohol. Or before that, let's start the nomenclature. Then we will go for functional group and their nomenclature. Nomenclature. It's very easy. See what you need to do. I'm going to take the easiest one from the easiest one, basic. You are going to choose longest chain of carbon. Longest chain. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Then numbering will be from that side which has substituent or branch. This will be the two. Then write the name of parent chain. Write the name of parent chain. After this, you are going to do nature of double and nature of bond. Nature of bond. So let's start with the basic one. If I am going to put this, first you need to recognize in this small molecules whether it is alkane, alkene, alkyne. What do you think? What it is? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
What it is? Alkane, alkene, alkyne. In the small molecules, you have to look in the whether it is alkane, alkene, alkyne. Can you tell me? Again, you have to think of this. C is 1, as you can see, C is 1 and hydrogen is 4.
Sir, it's
That
alkane.
alkane. For one carbon, what is the name for one carbon? I had taught you in the previous class that for one carbon, what is the name? Tell me. You have to
Yes, sir.
remember this. If there is one carbon, what is the name? Meth.
Sir, meth.
You have to remember this. Didn't you remember this? One carbon meth, two carbon eth, three carbon prop, four carbon but, five carbon pent, six carbon hex, seven carbon hep, eight carbon off, nine carbon non, 10 carbon day. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you can see that. Have you written this rule? Please do write it. And then I will explain. Ajay. Please do let me know when you are done with this. Let me know when you're done with this.
Okay, sir. Done, sir.
Very good. So as you can see, this is one carbon, that means meth, and since it is alkane, so ane ends with ane. The name ends with ane. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Second is basically your CH3, CH3. So you are going to do the numbering. Either you can do from here and here, whatever you wish. How many carbon present in this? Two carbon. So for two carbon, it is eth. Can you tell me whether it is alkane, alkene, alkyne? You can clearly see that the bond is single, and if single bond exists between carbon, carbon, that is alkane. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So it will be ethane. Ethane, because it is alkane. You can see the you don't need to do this C2H6 and then check it. You can directly look at the compound and you can see the bond, or you can configure the bond in your mind that whether it will be single or double depending upon the number of hydrogen. Okay. Let's, can you tell me the name of this? I'm just taking very easy. Just name it and let me know.
Sir, propane.
Yeah, it is propane. Very good. So 1, 2, 3. That means 3 carbon is there, prop, and all are singly bonded, propane. So can I change the slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm going to give you some like this: CH3, CH2. They're very easy. Let me know the name of the first one. The second one I will explain.
Sir, butane, sir.
Yeah, it is very good. See about this. If you can see, you cannot count in ones. Like if you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, there will be one carbon that will be left. That means it is branch. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
See, whenever this one carbon is treated as branch or substituent, as you know that this is your substituent. So one carbon, that means meth, and if it is uses as branch, so YL will be added. Its name will be methyl if one carbon is there. If two carbon is there, then two carbon, that means eth,
Ethyl.
and it is used as branch, so it will be ethyl. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
And in the third point that I had written, second point, numbering will be from that which has substituent, which gets the substituent lower number. So from when you are going to give the numbering, you are going to give the you are going to do the numbering from right to left, because substance will get second position. And if you are going to do the numbering from left to right, 1 2 3 and then 4, substituent will get third position. So number every always do numbering on that side, from that side where substituent gets lowest number. Are you getting my point? So this
Yes, sir.
numbering will be wrong and this numbering will be right. So
Okay, sir.
whenever there will be substituent or branch, you are going to write the name of substituent first. Always remember, you are going to write the name of the substituent first with the position. You can see on second carbon there is methyl, so I'm going to write 2 methyl, 2 methyl. Then jump on the parent chain. How many carbon is there? There are 4 carbon, that means butane. And all are singly bonded, that's why it is butane. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Azaan. Now see for this. You can see there is 2 branches, and if you are going to do the numbering from right to left, the substituent or branch will get second position. If you are going to do the numbering from left to right, the substituent is still getting the numbering second position. So you can do from wherever you want. Just take care of the nomenclature. You are going to write the name of the substituent first, and there are 2 substituent. So I am going to write 2 comma 2. That represents there are 2 substituent that is on second position of carbon, and both are methyl. So I am going to use dimethyl. Are you getting my point? If it will be 3, then tri. If it will be 4 times, then tetra. Dimethyl. And how many carbon in the parent chain? Prop, and all are singly bonded, so it will be propane. Okay. Is that clear, or is still there? Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay. If there is fluorine, then we use fluoro. If there is chlorine, then we use fluoro. If there is bromine, then we use bromo. This is the name in nomenclature that we take. If iodine is there, then we use iodine. Please do write. Let me know when you're done with this.
Okay, sir. Done.
Very good. I'm going to give you some question. Please do. So it is CH3, CH, bromine, and then CH2, CH3. Are you done with this?
No, sir.
Okay. If you're facing any problem, please ask me.
Sir, I am only able to do the first one.
Okay. What is the name for the first one that you did?
2-bromine butane.
Bromine? I just wrote a name for bromine. What you are going to use? For fluorine, it will be fluoro. For chlorine, it will be chloro. And for bromine, it will be bromo, not fluoro, bromine. Okay. So the name will be 1, 2, 3, 4. That's you. Good, very good. 2-bromobutane. It's very good. Now come to this. Can you can do numbering from 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can also do the numbering from 1, 2, 3, 4. So first, always try to correctly write the numbering. We will choose this one. Why we will choose this one? Just focus here and always remember. If you are going to do the numbering from the left side, the first substituent methyl will get second position and bromine will get third position. And if you are going to do the numbering from right side, bromine will get second position and the methyl will get third position. If this situation comes, then go with the alphabet. Bromine B comes before methyl M. Are you getting my point? So we will give preference to this bromine and the numbering will be done as it is. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now see, when you are going to do the nomenclature, always it will be in alphabetical order. Always it will be in alphabetical order. So which name will be written first? Bromine. So at the second position, it is 2-bromo. And at the third position, it is 3-methyl. And then come to the parents and 4-carbon butte, all are singly bonded butane. Got it? Got it or not? Please do let me know.
Yes, sir.
Get it. Please do write it and try the next.
Done, sir.
What is the name?
Yes, sir.
What is the name of this? You can try this. Couldn't you solve the third one?
Okay, sir, I'll try. Sir, will it be 2-methyl butane?
No. At the place of 1, 2, 3, 4. You got it right, but there are two methyl, two branches. So 2 comma 2 dimethyl and then butane. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Please do right. Done.
Sir, is it 2 bromo and 3 butane?
Why you left this one? There are two branches, no? Bromine as well as chlorine.
Sir, it will be chlorobutane, right?
No, first you are going to write 2 bromo and then 3 chloro and then butane comes.